how to select the audio output on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. Here in sounds, scroll down and go to speakers. Here in speakers, you can see the audio output. And the audio output is set into TV speaker. So you can select the speaker which you want to use. So, okay, you'll have to do to see the option. Okay, go to audio output. And you can see the option here. So you can set into Bluetooth if you have a connection of Bluetooth or ARC, or set to TV speaker, or set into SPDIF. So, for my example, I set the audio output into SPDIF. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully select the speaker you want to Devant Smart TV.